Before a single word is spoken in this courtroom, understand what's really at stake here. This is not just another routine plea hearing. This is a 23-year-old defendant facing a second-degree felony, a charge that carries the very real possibility of spending 2 decades behind bars. The judge, the prosecutor, the defense, everyone in this room knows that once this plea is entered, there's no rewind button. One misunderstanding, one overlooked detail, and a lifetime can change forever. So as this case unfolds, pay close attention, not just to what's said, but to what the defendant thinks he's agreeing to. Because moments from now, a single sentence will completely shift the tone of this courtroom.
And after that, it will be Eduardo Ramon. Court is calling 2023 CR 5122, State of Texas versus Jason Romero. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garahan, Your Honor.
Defense?
Sure, all this uniform, Mr. Romero.
And are you Mr. Romero?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. I'm sorry, I gave you the wrong file. All right, Mr. Romero, I'm going to show you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, we're proceeding on count 1 alone. We're waiving count 2 and we're waiving the enhancement.
Any objection?
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Romero, I'm going to show you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of unlawfully carrying a weapon with a felony conviction as a second-degree felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison.
This is a critical moment that often gets overlooked. The judge has just laid out the full punishment range, 2 to 20 years, and confirmed that by accepting this plea, the defendant is giving up fundamental constitutional rights, including a jury trial and the right to confront witnesses. That's not procedural fluff. That's the backbone of the justice system. When a defendant says yes here, the court must be absolutely certain it's knowing and voluntary. So ask yourself this: is Jason Romero fully processing what 10 years actually means, or is he just focused on getting through today? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you think courts should slow these moments down even more?
And up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did your counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor, it was.
Mr. Romero, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, state is proceeding on count 1, waiving count 2 in the enhancement. Punishment is to be assessed at 10 years in the prison. There are no applications. They were taking consideration 2023 CR 5120 JN 2135547. County Court 14, cause number 713720. And there's to be restitution, if any, payable to Juliana V as in Victor Barrera and JN 2135547. Did you understand that to be the plea?
I'm thinking, no, I don't,
And here's the moment where everything nearly derails. Romero openly admits he doesn't understand the plea, specifically the restitution tied to a separate robbery case being taken into consideration. This is huge. Taken into consideration does not mean dismissed or erased. It means the charge isn't prosecuted separately, but its impact still follows you, financially and legally. The judge immediately steps in to clarify, preventing what could have become a serious appellate issue. This exchange shows why courtroom clarity matters. One misunderstanding can mean years of consequences. Be honest, if you were standing there, would you have caught that detail in time?
I thought the robbery getting dropped.
It's being taken in consideration,
Yes, Your Honor.
but they're still requesting that you pay restitution to the person in that cause number, even though the case is being taken in consideration.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense,
Yes, Your Honor.
state,
It is, Your Honor.
showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, state is requesting that you have no contact with Juliana V. Barrera. Did you understand that's a recommendation from the state, and the court does not have to follow that recommendation?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to count one in the indictment, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No content.
State any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State Exhibit number 1 with all of its attachments.
No objection, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled wavering consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just that we all ask the court to follow the agreement we have with the state, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say, Mr. Romero?
No, ma'am.
All right, the court will find you guilty, sentence you to 10 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served, take in consideration 2023 CR 5120, JN number 2135547, 713-720, restitution, if any, and no contact with Juliana V. Barrera and JN number 2135547. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
I'm showing you what's entitled trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. How old are you?
23.
23. Do you have any children?
No, ma'am.
All right, that's good. So I know 10 years is a long time, and it's a long time whether you're 50 or 60 or whatever. But you need to use that time wisely. Don't become institutionalized and figure out how you ended up where you are.
Okay.
And you need to make improvements to yourself. If there's a drug or alcohol issue involved, take care of it. If there is an issue where maybe you feel like you didn't have the best of parents, at some point in time, you can no longer blame your parents. So if you don't change your ways, what's going to end up happening is the worst case scenario, you end up dying because you're involved in things you shouldn't be involved in. Or another worst case scenario, you end up spending a majority of your life in prison. Don't be the oldest person at the prison. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Eduardo Ramon.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Thank you, Judge.
In the end, the court follows the plea agreement exactly as presented. A guilty finding on count 1, a 10-year prison sentence, restitution obligations, and a strict no-contact order. The judge doesn't just sentence. She delivers a warning about the reality of prison, personal accountability, and the paths that lead people back into this courtroom. This case is a powerful reminder that plea bargains move fast, but their consequences last a lifetime. If you found this courtroom moment as intense and eye-opening as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns you won't see anywhere else.